Musk's comments weighing on shares of the stock, which are currently lower by more than 6%. Shark Tank co-host Kevin O'Leary joins us now to discuss this, along with corporate buybacks and also his 2018 stock draft picks. Hey, Kevin, thanks for calling in. What do you think about what Jim Cramer said to Elon Musk's bizarre conference call? Do you think this is an okay thing? How do you feel about it?
There's a certain protocol you have to have when you become public. It's been in place for decades. The same analysts are on the phone call. They're part of your family every quarter. They ask the same questions, and you answer them. That's how it works. Everybody expects that. It's been that way for decades. It's going to be that way decades from now. And so when you breach that, you end up making volatility ensues because it's chaos. People don't understand why you're doing it. What's the reason? Do you have a personal vendetta against these individual analysts? It's ridiculous. Of course there's going to be volatility. If you're a shareholder, you should be pissed. Okay. And if you can't handle it, he says, get out. Next topic, Apple announcing a $100 billion stock buyback. What do you think of these buybacks? Are companies just using the GOP tax cuts to reward shareholders? Are they not investing enough in CapEx? First of all, I don't like stock buybacks. They're never guaranteed. If you want to return capital to shareholders, either increase the dividend in perpetuity or do a special dividend. And people say, oh, that's not tax efficient. Let me tell you something. I want my capital back so I can redeploy it wherever I want to deploy it. And that could be in fixed income as well. When a stock buyback occurs, the only option I have is to let the existing management continue to deploy my capital in that name. I don't like stock buybacks. I want cash. In cash, I trust. Everything else is beep.
As you've made clear many times. All right, finally, your stock draft pick, Blue Apron, reporting earnings. It's currently in the green, but you are in second to last place, Kevin.
Oh, we're in such early times, and talk is so cheap. This is a 12-month press. You know that. I think my picks are going to win again. I will crush all the competitors. And I'm so disappointed in Bethany. You know, I took her under my wing in the Shark Tank. I tried to be her mentor. She was my grasshopper. And then when I saw her there competing with me in the stock draft, I knew it was over between us. Gloves are off. I'm going to crush her, too. Well,
she picked Spotify, and so that's been hurting her. She's off by 2%. You're off by double that, nearly 4%.
But
Thanks,
look
Kevin.
at the quality of my names. I'm not taking that down. I will survive and win. I will crush everybody.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.